It may officially be meteorological summer, but it's been a slow start. We had a cold winter across much of the prairies and a cooler spring thanks in part to La Niña. La Niña happens when the surface in the eastern Pacific Ocean runs colder, the opposite of El Niño, which is the warmer side. The change may be small, maybe only half a degree, but it has big impacts on weather patterns around the world. And this year could be a notable one, with a chance of a third consecutive winter of La Niña conditions.
We have 70% chances, so it's a high chances for La Niña to happen in the next month, but it will continue up to the end of the year with less odd. So, but again, they say 50 to 60, which is quite high. It's more than half.
They call it a triple dip La Niña, and though it's happened before, it is uncommon.
It's rare, yeah. So this would, if this happens this coming winter, that would be only the third since 1950. Yeah, it's a rare phenomenon.
La Niña packs more of a punch in the winter months for Canada. It generally means colder conditions in the Canadian prairies and wet weather on the west coast, and it can really deliver. The winter of 2010 to 2011 was marked by a particularly powerful La Niña. The Mount Washington Alpine Resort on Vancouver Island saw over 500 centimeters of snow by late December. Edmonton saw close to twice its normal snow between October and March, and in Saskatchewan, the thick snowpack caused flooding in the following spring. The big question that remains is, how is climate change impacting our La Niñas and El Niños? And that relationship is a little complicated. What we do know is by mid-century we will likely see changes in our extreme precipitation and also perhaps changes in that time between El Niño and La Niña.
The average state is projected to become more like El Niño. There's no consensus between climate models on whether the variability is going to change.
So what does all of this mean for our summer in Alberta and Saskatchewan? Well, we will likely see close to normal temperatures and precipitation this summer across the prairies, but if La Niña holds into the winter, it could be another cold one. Christy Climathega, CBC News, Edmonton.